Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video, I am going to show you how can you get the best products for affiliate marketing. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer, ClickBank, JBju and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. So guys, in this video, I am going to show you various affiliate network that you will find the best products for affiliate marketing. So guys, before starting this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and punch the notification bell for my upcoming videos. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, and you will get the best help of affiliate marketing, and you can make money about this inside this YouTube channel. And if you want to make a big money like 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation, or you can check my video description or my pin comment in my videos. Now I categorize three categories basically for affiliate marketing. Number one, physical products. So if you want to promote physical products, then I will suggest that my number one recommendation will be Amazon, and you will get a thousand products inside Amazon. And you see here is the 2 days deal, a lot of products inside Amazon. So if you want to promote physical products like TV, home and gardening, or mobile, etc., everything inside about physical products, so Amazon is the best for physical products. Or if you don't get approval for affiliate marketing of Amazon, then you can try eBay. It as like as Amazon, so you can promote all the products of eBay. So if you want to promote physical product, then you can choose this marketplace too. A lot of product inside eBay. Now if you want to promote digital products, and I am a digital marketer, I personally promote digital products. So if you want to promote digital products like make money method or software or high ticket program, then I will explain everything, what to the best affiliate network for all these methods, software or high ticket program. So there is no way about ClickBank. ClickBank is the number one, the biggest marketplace of make money method, make money training, make money software. Everything you will get inside ClickBank, but ClickBank doesn't approve all over the world. So if you don't get approval on ClickBank, then you can choose DGA store, almost similar like ClickBank, but you will get less product than ClickBank. But you can sign up DGA store and you can promote this type of categories. You see here in ClickBank, all the categories are on entertainment, betting system, business and invest, computer, internet, cooking, food, wine, e-business, e-marketing, education, employment and jobs, fiction, game, green products, health and fitness, home and gardening. So you will say most of the products as similar as ClickBank, betting system, business and investment, computer and internet, dance music, education, fitness and health, food, drink, game funds. A lot of product also inside DGA store. So ClickBank is the first option, but if you don't get approval in ClickBank, then you can choose DGA store 24. It will almost similar like ClickBank. Now if you want to if you want to promote low price products such as $5, $10, $7, $20, thus little amounts price product, then Warrior Plus is the best. You can get low price product inside Warrior Plus, and if you want to promote low price product, then ClickBank, then Warrior Plus is the best, and you will get affiliate offers. And all the products of Warrior Plus here, and you can get the marketplace, and you see all the new product of Warrior Plus inside here, and here is the top 10 product of Warrior Plus. So if you want to promote a low price product, then low price make money related product, then Warrior Plus is the best. Now if you want to promote software related product, then Zebizu is the best. If you promote software related products such as video maker, image maker, content maker, so this type of software, or many others software like autoresponder creator, such as. So if you want to promote software related product, then Zebizu is the best, and you will see here affiliate and find product, then you will get all the products inside Zebizu. So if you want to promote software related product, then Zebizu is the best. And finally, high ticket program. And if you want to promote high ticket program, and if you want to make big money by affiliate marketing, then high ticket program is the best for affiliate promotion. And I personally promote high ticket programs, and I will suggest to high ticket program. It's Enter Institute. It's a high ticket program. You will get various types of commissions here. It starts 4.20 cent, 4.20 cent, and after that you will get 18, 29, 49, 105, 500, 300, various type of commission inside this high ticket program. So you can join here. Below in the page, look here, affiliate program. So it's one of the best high ticket program for promotion, and you can choose it, or it's Legendary Marketer, another high ticket program, and I personally promote Legendary Marketer, and here is my Legendary Marketer dashboard. It's also an high ticket program, and you see here I made 12 high ticket sales and a lot of mid ticket sales inside Legendary Marketer. And my third category is health and fitness. And if you want to promote health and fitness, then you will choose various networks, such as you can choose Amazon. You will get health and fitness related and beauty related product inside Amazon. So you can choose Amazon, or you can choose ClickBank. You will see all the health and fitness product inside ClickBank, and you also choose in DGA store for health and fitness. So as I want to summary all of my um, system of finding products. So if you want to promote physical products, then Amazon and eBay. If you want to promote make money related product, then Clickbank is number one, or DG store. And if you want to promote low ticket or low price product, then Warrior Plus is the best. And if you want to promote software related product, then Zevisu is the best. And if you want to promote high ticket program, then Legendary Marketer and Enter Institute. Legendary Marketer is not allowed for all over the world. On 103 countries are not allowed for Legendary Marketer, but Enter Institute is available for all over the world. And finally, health and fitness. If you want to promote health and fitness, then you can choose Amazon, Clickbank, or DG store. So guys, that's it. If you like this video, then like it. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. And it's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. You will see I am uploading videos in daily basis, and you will get a lot of info inside my YouTube channel. So if you want to make money from online by affiliate marketing, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for the next videos. And if you want to make big commission like me, then check my number on recommendation. So guys, that's it. Take action and make money by affiliate marketing. If you take action, then you can make money, and if you don't take action, I'll do, then you can't make money from online. So guys, best of luck, take action, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel and share it for the other people. Bye.